Yeah, that place. Is a vlogger. These people have bought cake and all over here. I don't know. 1,000 subscribers. It's Sean is here one side. Other vlogger is here this side.
So guys, English YouTuber in the house.
English YouTuber.
Celebrations and celebrations.
बाय आज पहली बार टक इन किया है क्योंकि मेरा पेट दिखता है इसलिए हम टक इन नहीं करता था. I'm not even fitting. See the seat guy. Don't mind about this copyright strikes for weddings and all. Whenever I go, I make sure that I put. So hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. It's a new day. It's a new vlog, and today it's Sunday, 27th April 2025. So right now it's 10:15 in the morning. So I'm going for mass right now. Start your day with the blessing of God. So 10:30 is the mass. So I'm leaving now from home. I'm already dressed up. How to show you guys now? Okay, this is what I'm wearing. T-shirt, formal pant, watch, and yeah, let's go. So hope you see. I don't know whether you guys seen. It's shoes, shirt, and this. So let's go. So this is what I just tucked in. So let's go for mass and then we'll see you. Oh yes, I forgot my main thing. Wait, I'll get it and come. So guys, what I was missing over here is this, my chashma. Okay, now I am ready to go. So guys, comment down and let me know how your brother, your भाई कैसा दिख रहा है भाई. भाई आज पहली बार टक इन किया है क्योंकि मेरा पेट दिखता है इसलिए हम टक इन नहीं करता था. पहला करता था हम टक इन. So after long I've tucked in. Or before I used to go for anywhere I used to tuck in. So because when I've gained this family pack, so from that time I stopped. So yes, let's go now. I'm getting late. Almost 10:25. I'll reach in 5 minutes. I'm going to Holy Spirit right now for mass. See you there, guys. So guys, ready? I think I'm going to take after a very long this car. Wait. So let me start it. Oh my god, this seat is so up. Dad drives the car now, so oh my god. He gets the seat totally up. Wait. I'm not even fitting. See the seat guy. I start the car. So that it's so hot. It's baked inside the car. Open all the windows. Gate is open. See the sound, see the fan sound. So that means it's hot. How people survive in this heat, yeah. So guys, see you over there once I reach at the church. I'll just show you the entrance and I'll go and attend the mass. See you, darlings. See you. So guys, we're about to reach Holy Spirit. I'm just at the behind area. Oh yes. Tell me how many of you guys love driving car or bike or whatsoever. Like you get the feeling, like you get your soul alive, like once you sit in the car or you drive. That's me. I to get alive when I sit in the car. I'll go front. There's a lot of people there. I mean the cars are parked. This is I'm getting copyright strikes, you know, on all the videos mostly. Normally I don't care, but I just want to give you guys a good content, so I don't mind about this copyright strikes for weddings and all. Whenever I go, I make sure that I put the songs which are natural. Where is the shade? There is no shade. No. Guys, I'll park and then I'll catch you guys up later.
DJ Soul Ronwar, Dinon Tori Noita Kushimukai.
So guys, we have finally finished the mass. So yes, mass was good. I prayed for you guys as well, everyone. So now I'm going home. I got to meet one of my friends. Saka there. I'm damn sure it is hot. It's going to be roasted as hell and so. Yeah. And I was right. It's extremely hot. Because the car was parked in the sun, no, so oh my god, heat is coming out inside from the seats. Oh shit. Guys, now it's quite better. It's like little cool now because the AC is chilled in the car. Okay, now I'm at the signals right now. So I'm heading towards Fatodda. I think mom has called and asked me to get something, so I will go in the market maybe. Yes, I'll get that and I'll go home. So guys, here I am after mass. Just came to take some AC from here because it's very hot outside. It's almost around 38-40 degrees. And there's one faggot over here. So I came to allow him. Otherwise, if I don't allow him, then his day doesn't go good, it seems. That's what he says. So guys, I reached home. Sorry, excuse me, I'm shirtless. So today this bike is getting washed. The Rajdut. It's my grandfather's bike. It is restored and it's bought, so now it's getting cleaned. It's not been used much. Only sometimes and occasionally wherever we go, like close by, we just take it, start it and bring and keep it back. So it's getting washed now. I'll show you the cinematics after this. Let him wash it first. So yes, today is Sunday, wash day. Yes. So let him wash. We'll go and do some work inside. Harry Babu. Here the keys here, Liam. So here we go. Hey, Lebe. Thank you. Again, orders now. It's not my order. So guys, it's in the evening right now. It's around 6 o'clock. So after washing the cars and all, what we did was we went to have lunch. We had lunch and after that I said for editing that today's video it delayed because editing took time and there were no currents also at home. So my battery also was low one side. So I did that. So right now I'm leaving to go out. I told you right 2-3 videos back that I had ordered some t-shirts from these YouTubers. They have this brand called Sospache. So from them I ordered 2 t-shirts. So 2 months back this story is on. I ordered 2 months back and I didn't go to pick it up. I said tomorrow it got delayed because I was also busy one side. So today finally I'm going to pick the order up. So yes, I'm going to her place directly. I said no wasting more time. Doesn't feel good now to keep someone waiting for so long. Yes, the channel name is the AJ Vlogs Goa. So yes, I'm going to meet her. She and her husband, they both take videos for YouTube. So yes, let's get them out. Husband is in Ireland, London, that's it. So she's already there, so I'll take the order from her. Yes. And my chashma. How can I forget it? So guys, I'm finally ready. Let's go. So I'll take care of this copyright strike. Normally I keep the music on while taking vlogs. So yes, so let's go there. I'll see you directly over there because I have to check on the location. I also don't know where she stays exactly. So after reaching there, I'll start vlogging and I'll show you guys.
Right onto St. Joachim Road.
On the way, guys. So, guys, finally I've reached. So I'm going to enter that place. There's a vlogger. All the way from London. So, guys, Joan from London connected to us, and Andrea from Goa.
Okay, she's out down here. Everything is good.
All good, all good. I said like 2 months it's been pending, like I'm coming to pick up. I didn't reach today. So finally today I made a date. Like. Yeah, finally. And
ते गे ब्लॉगाचे येला मुदी बुद्ध दाखव लोका दिसत तू सिंगल म्हणून
अच्छा रे तू मुझे काट रहा था
ए
मैं.
ना very good flex good
Okay, good. You off or what today?
यार I'm off
Not you, Ray.
he's off
अपना है सवादा.
I don't know, camera is here.
Sean is here one side. Other vlogger is here this side.
So guys, English YouTuber in the house.
English YouTuber.
And I'm gifting him this.
Guys, after 2 months I'm come here to pick the order. I said I'll come. One side Joan is with me also.
What are we doing with 3 months? See you guys in a bit. Oh, beja re long video.
Arey, you all have become famous, man. Arey, wait.
Who's
Just
this
check
girl
that.
re?
What I know is see. Guys, see.
No.
What's on these YouTubers? तो सामान ah?
I know this kid.
Okay, wait. You're giving me. Okay, so guys, I finally received these 2 parcels. Sospache. This vloggers. So it's their brand, Sospache.
Sospache, not mine.
Ah.
Sospache, the other fellows, and the other one is ours. And then Ryan will wear at home and show the mirror.
Okay. Guys, I hope that t-shirt fits me because now 2 months I kept them
No,
pending,
Ray.
so I lost some weight, I guess.
No, it's nice. It will look nice.
He's and my size same, I guess.
Oh yeah,
John's.
almost, yeah.
Okay.
I have something for you.
Kai na kai, oi.
Hey, wait, Ray. What are you doing? You sit there.
I don't want any VIP service. I'm going.
You just sit there, no?
Just give me one charging point only.
And then charge over there, no? So,
Saiba, Joan exo hai mere.
I card buddy. Which one? This
It looks like someone is sitting with me over here.
You are good, no company one get.
Hey, I'm not going to eat anything. Oi. These people have bought cake and all over here. I don't know. 1,000 subscribers. It's
Maybe I would congratulations, Kata, because I don't know the full.
Joan, what is this?
This is a small thing.
Something special.
It's too much, right?
Congratulations, copyright ये पण हमारी.
Yeah, it's there.
हाँ?
It's there.
No, yeah,
We just can't get directly. All three of us.
This card we simply do. Like
Yeah,
this.
that's better.
हाँ, okay. Come. आओ. याद झाला सोय things सारखे. रुपती झाडा वाढा रे.
Sadachi, bye. Whole house of plants.
House of love woman. Lie. Well.
Cake. Special
This is
cake.
not even. This is just carrot cake. Ritesh को दाखलो.
Carrot cake.
Don't show the आकडे. So guys, Ryan DiMello, 1,000 subscribers in the house, guys.
Guys, I didn't want to celebrate. She's simply making it.
Yeah, but you have to celebrate. No
Yeah,
big
yeah.
thing, no? Then.
Yeah, okay.
Because he didn't celebrate.
After
his
3
birthday.
years, I think.
He
After,
didn't celebrate his birthday.
I didn't
that's
celebrate
why.
her. Okay, let's
Anita
cut.
in the house. Fine,
The main hotspot. It's okay.
right. Garden.
Okay. Guarding you, Mama does same.
Yes, but hey,
I don't know.
just check if it's coming. राव रे position घेता है. ये रूम is झाडा रे. तो बाजूला आहे.
Okay.
Coming, no?
Recording first, I had to see. Last time I kept like that. It didn't
It
record.
doesn't come, re, and I can't. Because I know that like this. I can't do.
You want me to click fun inside?
I'll think more like this.
You also come now. What is that?
What I'll do? Are your 1,000. What you? Swedish. How cut together?
Okay, so.
I'll cut like this. Like this. I'll
So
cut.
guys are cutting this.
Yeah, we have a soft drink cut.
Direct cut करो वाले editing.
Wait, exactly. I don't. This mama had kept for you plant. Aso go dia. Tu dosa na moga no. Oi dola.
Joan, your hand also here one side.
Let's go. Lie re. Ready.
Hold now. Hold. Come, enter hold.
Celebrations and
Celebrating my birthday.
celebrations. Gosto, né, Hey, 1,000. Let's go, guys.
I'll give you.
तुका ती खूप पुष्प हवी तर तुका ती
Done?
तेरा व्हिडिओ सोड मामा तिना
Wait, I need to.
du follow off my face
Thank you, man. Under it.
ऐसा ना ना I got a feeling he was something like that. I got
No,
scared.
he'll wait, yeah. He's fine now. Guys.
Olha corta.
Ah.
Não, esta. Maybe with left hand I will catch. Esto do mama. Thanks, bro.
Bye.
Yay!
One for John. For you. Take, bro. Ah. Weapon. Ah.
Look at this funny thing.
Yeah.
What do you want me to do like this? Look at the cake.
Look wherever you want. Or look at John over there.
What? I'm kidding.
Okay.
Zale.
So, funny out there.
Yeah, keep it.
Shooting a video?
Still,
Picture?
yeah.
So guys, finally I'm come. I met Andrea. So the t-shirt after a long wait of 2 months, I finally got it.
Nico.
Thank you so
He
much.
grabbed it.
And
No.
John,
And do like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget with the bell icon. Oh, to last time I got the clip.
yeah, do like, comment, share, and subscribe to AJ Vlogs Goa. Yes, and
Yes.
lots of love, lots of support, and lots of growth.
Yes.
Yeah.
Zalo. Don't
Zare,
forget.
zare, zare.
Ryan, how much he maintains. Hey, what you do, my hair?
Guys,
Yeah.
token of appreciation
From my mother
From-
to Ryan.
from India's mom to me. She's
Yeah.
given me this nice vase. So yeah.
And let's
So anyways, I'm leaving now. I'll take a leave. Chalo, bye. Andrea.
Bye guys. And he's
So-
leaving now. And I will see how much he maintains this plant of mine. Ignore my hairstyle.
Yeah, she's come back to school.
Yeah.
If you, her classmates, anyone sees this video, please comment down and tell her.
Yeah, please.
So guys, I left from there and from their place. So hope you like the video what I have shown you guys from the AJ Vlogs Goa. So right now I'm coming to Margaon. I'm coming to pick up dinner. So let's go. I'm going to Galen's in Margaon. So yes, let's go. So I'm in Margaon right now. I don't know, I parked it here early. Hope it's not on the road. So Galen's in Margaon. Yes, I'm back over here again. I've just ordered some food for dinner at home. So yes, I'll pick it up and I'll go home now directly. Yeah. I'll go to the washroom first. Can't control. So guys, in the washroom of Galen's, see this plant, bro. Check it out. Washroom is first class. They've changed it now from before. Before it was a little dull. Changed this plant I like. Should I pick it and take it home? Just kidding, guys. So yes, I'll pick my order now. Hope it's ready. Let's see. Guys, I hope you like my videos on YouTube. If you do like, just please do comment on something. What do you like in the video, which part and all. So yeah, that's my outfit for today. I can show you shoes, t-shirt, and that's me. Down top. So guys, on the way right now home, I collected the order. From Galen. So right now on the way. So I reached almost Fatota. So I'll go home now, then have bath, get fresh, and I still didn't upload the video, yeah. Because net was not there because there were no currents. So I reached the junctions, Fatota junction. Ajao bye. Okay, he remains slow. So I shall go. So yeah, guys, I'll go home and then I'll see you guys. Catch you guys up there later. This Baskin Robbins is doing quite well till late night or not. It's going on good. Okay guys, finally home. Now I'll pick this order. I mean order means no, my parcel, my glass. That's my parcel there. And yes, Andrea, your pot is over here. It's safe and sound. I got it home safely. So yes, I'll take this all now. Enter home. And then I want to have bath first, yeah. So after getting fresh, I will have dinner and all. Yeah, so let's catch you up later, guys. So hope you like this video today. Do like, comment and share. Even this Andrea also said the AJ Vlogs Goa. She also said please like, comment and share, and do follow my channel as well and her channel as well. So see you guys later. Yes. So Spache. Andrea, for the record, your plant is safe in my hands. Thanks to Mama. So I'll keep it here. Looks nice. My mom will be happy looking at this plant. So yes, pick up my order. This is the order. So guys, I'll see you guys later. See you. Bye.